Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am Tudo Frank. In this particular video, we are still looking at learning new skill in just 5 minutes. So the skill we're going to learn today is that we're going to learn some Excel special skills. How can we convert our data in Excel into a table? Converting data to table on Excel. So we have this table right here, and we want to see how we can convert this data we have on the table. This data we have on the spreadsheet to a table. It might look like a table, but this is just a spreadsheet. Converting to table will enable us do a lot of stuff we cannot do with the way this data is right now. So if I scroll down here, you can see what is happening. That we have up to 88 records right here with the headings, and I'm to convert this into a table. How is that possible? It's very simple. You click any portion on the body of the table. Once you click on any of this portion on the body of the table, you come to this button on your home tab. You have this button right here under styles. You click on it and you can pick any format of the table you see here. For example, I want to use this. By clicking on that, it highlights the portion of the table and asks me if you want my table to have headers. I say yes, I want my table to have headers. So I take this dialog and I click on OK. Now, if you look at the screen, we now have a table. We have a table. You now understand the advantage of this. Okay, let me show you a little bit of what happens when you convert your data to a table. First of all, you can be able to do what we call filter. You can filter this table. For example, I want to see records that was made by only Ben. Now here we got two sales representative. We have Ben, we have Jacob. I can click here and say, don't show me all. I want to see only for Ben. By ticking Ben, note what I did here. I first of all click on this select all to remove all the options. Then I click on Ben. So I want to see record for only Ben. You can see now that I got only the record for Ben, and that of Jacob is actually hidden. I can come here again and say, okay, now I don't want to see Ben, I want to see only Jacob. And I click on OK. You see what happened now? And I can bring both of them back by clicking on select all to highlight the two. And I said OK. You can see what is happening now. Brought it back. Second thing that can happen is that I can actually do some calculations, and if I calculate for one cell, it's going to give me answer for the rest of the cells. For example, I want to find out the profit. I'll come here and say, okay, since I have right here the cost price and the selling price, I want to get the profit right here. So what do? You can see even when you type a new column name, it automatically formatted as a table because the entire record was converted to a table. So coming here, I click on, I'll press equals to. I want to sum this up. Let me zoom this so some of you will see it clearly. I want you to see the formula clearly, so I'm going to zoom my screen a little. All right. So I can come here and say equals to the selling price minus the cost price. See what is happening now? Instead of showing me the address of this cell, it shows me the heading of the cells. So all I need to do is to go ahead and press enter. Now note, on normal Excel worksheet, if I press enter now, one answer will have appeared. And from there, I will have to drag down to get the rest of the answers using my fill handle. But right here, I'm not going to use the fill handle. I just press enter and everything is calculated because the data was converted to a table. That's one of the advantage. You can see now all the answers appear without me having to use my fill handle or autofill to get the rest. So that is one of the advantage of using converting your data from normal data as it is on Excel to a table. When you convert to table, you can do some stuff like filtering, When you calculate for one cell, automatically pop up for the rest, and it looks more presentable. And cell referencing is very simple when you convert your data to a table. Thank you very much. On this short video, we were learning how to convert data to table. I am Tudo Frank, and this is learning new text skill in 5 minutes. Thank you very much. God bless you.